Have you been searching for a length retention routine that actually works? Well, look no further. I've got you covered, so keep on watching.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm sharing one of my length retention wash day routines, and I'm keeping it simple with one of my favorite affordable duos, and that's the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. If you're on a healthy hair journey like me and you're trying to retain all the length that you can, well, this routine could be for you. So let's jump right in. You know, the key to length retention is healthy ends, low manipulation, and moisture. My hair has been in a wash and go style for a couple of weeks, and now it's actually time to refresh it. So I always fully saturate my hair with warm water. This helps open the cuticle, allowing the shampoo to cleanse without stripping, and it prepares my hair for what's coming next. And I must say that the Aussie Moist shampoo, this line is really good for making sure the hair is moist. It gets an A+ for me when it comes to moisturizing your hair. If you're enjoying my content so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. And that's it, y'all. It was an effective wash day routine for my length retention using Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. Remember, healthy hair retains length, and the combination of moisture and gentle detangling, as well as low manipulation, makes all the difference. So the final step in my length retention routine is simple. I apply leave-in conditioner, follow it up with the gel, and that's it. I set my hair into a wash and go style and literally go. So I just let it air dry, and I usually refresh in a week or two. Also, let me know in the comments if you're on a length retaining journey. And if so, what are you doing to retain your length for this year? And let me know if you've ever used the Aussie products, any of them. Let me know how it worked out for you. Well, that's it for this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.